Hello everyone, welcome to Genius channel. We are going to see some previous year NDA English questions. So all of you see the question number 1. So this is coming under the section antonym. Each item in this section consists of a sentence with an underlined word followed by 4 words. Select the option that is opposite in meaning to the underlined word and mark your response on your answer sheet accordingly. So the first question, so you have to find out the antonyms. Okay, antonyms means opposites. He nodded absently throughout the meeting. He nodded absently throughout the meeting. Okay, so it is antonym. That means you have to find the opposite word. Okay, so absently, first you identify what is the meaning of the word absently. After that, find the opposite of that. Okay, so read, he nodded absently throughout the meeting. Whether it is capably, alertly, agitatedly, dreamily. What is the correct answer? Okay, so listen here. Absently. Absently means what? Absently means someone, he attending something absently means he is not seriously, or he is thinking of, he is not in his mind, or he is thinking something else and sitting in the meeting. So that means it is a negative word. It is a negative word. So you have to identify the positive word. Obviously from option you should get a positive word. Okay, so see here, capably, agitatedly, dreamily, all are negative words, isn't it? So what we need the opposite. So alertly is the correct answer. That means he is very carefully. Alertly means carefully, or at vigilantly. Okay, so absently, we can say here the opposite word can be alertly. Okay. Next question. So you have to identify the meaning of that word and identify the opposite word. Or you can try using which all words are giving positive meaning, negative meaning, like that also. Now go to the question number 2. I fully believe that the cornerstone of good policy is an electorate that is educated. I fully believe that the cornerstone of a good policy is an electorate that is educated on the national issues. Okay, so educated. Educated means what? Educated on national issues means someone, that means knowing, having a good knowledge or knowing on the national issues. Knowingly. Okay, educated means they know something on the national issues. Okay, so that is the meaning. Okay, so what is the meaning that is in opposite? Options: cerebral, enlightened, ignorant, erudite. So what is the word that is in opposite of educated? Educated means knowingly. or no electorate, no everything on a national issues. That is what they mean. So what is the opposite of that? See here, what is the meaning of cerebral? Cerebral means intelligent or intellectual. Intellectual or intelligent, we can say. Enlightened. Enlightened means what? Enlightened means having some information or informed. Informed, we can say. Then erudite means learned. Erudite means learned. Okay, intellectual, informed, learned. So that is almost having same meaning as that of educated in this context. So ignorant. Ignorant is the opposite word. Ignorant. That means not knowing, isn't it? So ignorant is the correct word. Okay. So moving to the next question. Question number 3. For important medical decisions, even finding a good, even finding a doctor you trust is not enough. For important medical decisions, even finding a doctor you trust is not enough. For important. Okay, so identify the word that is in opposite of this word important. For important medical decisions, even finding a doctor you trust is not enough. Important. So significant, that means important, almost same as important, isn't it? Significant and important almost having same meaning. So we need the opposite word, isn't it? Opposite word we need. Okay. Now, what is basic? Basic, that also we can say basic medical decisions, important decision, all can be compared, isn't it? Then probable, that also we can say in this context, it can be also fine for probable medical decision. That means almost important. Now, which is the word which is having opposite meaning? Yes, trivial. Trivial means we can say insignificant. Insignificant. Trivial, we can say insignificant. So that is having opposite meaning of that of word important. Okay. So moving to the next question. Question number 4. Question number 4. Planets move in their orbits. Planets move in their orbits. Very easy. Planets move in their orbits. So move, what is the meaning? Move means to move, isn't it? So what could be the opposite of that? Opposite of that could be opposite of move, that is stop. Opposite of that is stop. So identify the word that means. Yes, so opposite of word move is stop. So which word is having opposite of that word move? Yes, stall, isn't it? Stall means to stop, isn't it? Stall means to stop. Okay. Push, rotate, flow, everything is words used to show movements, isn't it? So here answer is stall. Next, 5th question, question number 5. Temperature is, shorter question. Temperature is a measure of internal energy of an object and is frequently expressed by physicists in units of Kelvin. Temperature is a measure of internal energy of an object and is frequently expressed. Expressed means what? Means to show, isn't it? Expressed or showed in. Showed we can say. Expressed or showed, to show. So expressed meaning is showed, isn't it? So what is the word that is having opposite of that? So here we can say to show or showed. Okay, so to hide, which word does means hidden. Okay, so expressed meaning is showed. So what is the opposite of showing? That is hidden is the opposite, isn't it? Hidden. So which word means hidden? We cannot say found, told, distributed. Yes, concealed, isn't it? Concealed almost means that hidden, isn't it? So here the answer is concealed. Moving to the question number 6. Question number 6. People argue about why Venus is so much warmer than the Earth. People argue about why Venus is so much warmer than the Earth. Very easy. Warm, opposite of warm. You need the opposite word, isn't it? Opposite of warmer is colder. Opposite of warmer is colder. So that is the answer. Moving to the question number 7. Scientists are concerned whether the oceans and land biosphere will take up as much carbon in the future as they presently do. Scientists are concerned whether the oceans and land biosphere will take up as much carbon in the future as they presently do. So concerned. Concerned meaning is what? What is the meaning of concerned? Concerned means anxious, we can say, or in this situation, we can say scientists are worried. Okay, so they are thoughtful of whether the oceans and land biosphere will take up this much carbon. Okay, so which all word is similar to this anxious, worried, etc. So worried already it is there. So it is a meaning. It is not the opposite. So we can eliminate this option. Then curious, that also correct because scientists are curious whether this will happen. They are puzzled. Scientists are puzzled. That is also correct. So which is the word that we can say opposite of this? Yes. Option B, indifferent. Indifferent. Okay, indifferent. So indifferent actually means uninterested. Uninterested. But scientists are interested or concerned. So opposite of concerned, we can say indifferent. Okay, indifferent. Now moving to the next question, question number 8. Question number 8. The biggest debate among scientists today is about cloud feedback. Biggest debate among scientists today is about cloud feedback. Debate. What is the meaning of debate? Debate means to discuss, isn't it? Discuss. So the opposite of that is what? Debate. Good. Yes. Tell me. Debate means they are discussing on that, isn't it? Discussing on cloud feedback. So content, that is almost same as debate. Moot means something debatable. Wrangle means what? It's a complicated debate. Wrangle means complicated debate. Complicated debate. Okay. So these are having same meaning. We need the word which is having opposite meaning, isn't it? Yeah. So that is agreement. Agreement is the correct answer. Agreement. So moving to the question number 9. 9. The Earth's climate sensitivity is conventionally defined as the equilibrium temperature increase caused by a doubling of carbon dioxide. Doubling of carbon dioxide. Earth's climate sensitivity is conventionally defined as the equilibrium temperature increase caused by a doubling of carbon dioxide. So, sensitivity. Meaning of sensitivity means sensitive, or we can say Earth's climate sensitivity means affected by emotions, isn't it? Sensitivity means affected by emotions or affected, isn't it? So some word which is opposite to affected, what can be that? Options: imperviousness, willingness, responsiveness, closeness. See here, responsiveness, that is almost same as sensitivity, isn't it? Sensitive. Then willingness, that is also we can say in this situation almost same as sensitivity. Closeness also we can say sensitivity. Which word is opposite? Opposite is imperviousness. Imperviousness. So imperviousness means unable to be affected. Unable to be affected, or we can say exact meaning, we can say impenetrable. Impenetrable. So that is the word that we can say in this context. Okay. So now question number 9. Question number 9. So 10. Question number 10. The oceans carry a huge amount of heat from the tropics to the high altitude, high latitudes. The oceans carry a huge amount of heat from the tropics to high altitude. So huge. So huge means large, isn't it? So opposite of that. Large or major. Huge. Major can be said dormant, significant, all are matching word, which is the opposite. Yeah. Tiny. Tiny. Okay, so that's all for today. So we'll see in another video with more questions. Thank you, everyone. See you in the next class.